Hello and good morning, students. In the last days, we had done the discussion on regarding our sum of the interior angles of any of the polygon. It may be 3 side, it may be 4 side, it may be 5 side, it may be 10 sides. So one of the general formula it was given to you that the sum of the interior angle of any of the polygon having the sides n, it is our n minus 2 into 180 degree. It was given to you. Also, it is also same as 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. So one may either remember this formula to find out the sum of the interior angles. Otherwise, one can remember this formula to find out the sum of the interior angles of any of the polygon. So today we will do the discussion on regarding our sum of the exterior angle of any of the polygon. So first I want to do the discussion from one of the triangle example. See, suppose it is one of the triangle. See, suppose this angle it is our 50 degree. Suppose this angle it is 70 degree. And suppose this angle it is our 70, 50, our 120, this one it is our 60 degree. So for this triangle, I want to check here the sum of the exterior angle of this triangle, it is how much we are getting. Okay. So here it is. See, it is 70 means this one, it is our 110 degree. Because both are linear pair angles. Here it is 60 degree. It means this angle, it will be our 120 degree. Also these two are the interior angles, sorry, linear pair angles. Here it is 50 means this one it is to be our 130 degree. So here with this example I want to check here the sum of the exterior angle of this triangle, it is how much. See, here it is one of the exterior angle, it is our 110 degree. Another one it is our 120 degree. Another one it is our 130 degree. So togetherly their sum it is 0, 3, 2, 5, 1, 6. Here it is 3. So it means here with this particular example we got the sum of the exterior angle of this triangle, it is our 360 degree. Suppose one is interested to change the measure of the angle. Suppose this one it is 60 degree. This one it is suppose 60 degree. This one it is also 60 degree. And this one it is 60. Suppose with this example I want to check. This one 60 means this one it is 120 degree. This one 60 means this one it is our 120 degree. And this one 60 means this one it is our also 120 degree. So for this example also I want to show you here the exterior angle value, it will be how much. See, here it is 120, 120, 120. So for which with this example 120 degree plus 120 degree plus 120 degree. Also with this example also we are getting that the sum of the exterior angle of this triangle, it is our 360 degree. Okay, but now once again I am giving you one of the general value. See, so this one it is the particular value I get. Now I want to show you the general value. See, general value means suppose this angle value it is, suppose this angle it is our x, this one it is our y, and this one it is our z. As this one x, this one y, this one it is our y, this one it is our z, this one it is our x. It is y means this one it will be 180 degree minus y. This one z means this one should be 180 degree minus z. And this one x means this one should be 180 degree minus x. Here I want to check the exterior angle of this triangle. It is how much? See, first exterior angle it is our 180 degree minus x plus 180 degree minus y plus 180 degree minus z. Whenever I will open the bracket, everywhere I will get 180, 180, 180. So togetherly directly writing I am 540 degree. 180, 180, 180, it is our 540. And here it is minus x, minus y, minus z. By giving the minus here, by giving the bracket, I am writing x plus y plus z. See, here it is 540 degree minus x, here it is x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, sum of the interior angle of the triangle it is our 180 degree. It is our 180 degree. So for which 540 minus 180, which is our 360 degree. So it means for the triangle we got the sum of the exterior angle, it is always 360 degree. Now I want to expand the discussion towards our quadrilateral. So we will see whether we are getting the different value, otherwise we are getting the same value. See, one of the example of the quadrilateral here I am drawing. See, suppose this angle it is our 70 degree, 70 degree, and suppose this angle it is our 110 degree. Suppose this one it is our 130 degree, and this one it is suppose our 50 degree. So it is one of the quadrilateral whose sum of the interior angle it is should be our 360 degree. Check 110, 170, 180, here it is 180. So togetherly total sum of the interior angle here it is our 360 degree. But our importance should be given towards our exterior angle. See, so this one it is 70 means suppose I am extending this one it is our exterior angle. So this exterior angle should be 70 degree. Exterior, interior, both are the linear pair angles. So their sum it is 180. So this one it is 130 means, so this one should be 50 degree. Ready? And suppose this one it is 70 means this one should be our 110 degree. This one it is 50 degree. It means this angle it is our 130 degree. So here I want to check the sum of the exterior angle. 70 degree plus 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 110 degree. So here togetherly I am getting 70 plus 50 120, 120 plus 130 250, 250 plus 110, which is our 360. Hurry, we are getting surprised. Previous one triangle, we got the sum of the exterior angle, it is our 360. Also here it is quadrilateral, but we are getting that the sum of the exterior angle, it is our 360. Okay, so once again the same question I want to do the discussion in the general method. See, in the general method how to prove. See, in the general method we have to prove by taking the x, y, z, w. See, suppose this angle it is x, this angle it is y, this angle it is z, this angle it is our w. And this angle it is y means this angle it is our 180 minus y. Because both are the linear pair angles. This one it is x, so it means this one it will be 180 degree minus x. This one it is w, it means this one it will be 180 minus w. This one it is Z, it means this one it is our 180 minus Z. So here the sum of the exterior angles, it should be just like this. See, 180 degree minus X, one exterior angle, plus 180 degree minus Y, plus 180 degree minus Z, plus 180 degree minus W. On opening the bracket, 180, 180, 180, 180. So it means togetherly 4 numbers of 180, I have to keep it separately. So for this their sum, it will be, directly I am writing 720, because 18 4 is 72, here it is 0, extra 0 I have given. Minus X, minus Y, minus Z, minus W. By giving the minus sign, I am writing it as the X plus Y plus Z plus W. Otherwise minus X, minus Y, minus Z and minus W. By taking the minus it as the common, I wrote it just like this. Here it has the 720 degree minus, here it is X plus Y plus Z, sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral, we know it as the 360 degree. 720 minus 360, so here it is our sum, it is our 360. So here it is for the particular general case, also we got it as the sum of the exterior angle of the quadrilateral, it is also 360 degree. Now last one example I want to check, that one it is for our pentagon. See. So here it is one of the pentagon. See, here it is one of the pentagon. Suppose this angle it is our X, this angle it is Y, suppose this angle it is Z, this one it is our W, suppose this one it is A. Sum of the interior angle of a pentagon, everyone knows, here the n it is equal to 5. So for which interior angle formula it is 5 minus 2, it means n minus 2 into 180 degree, which is equal to 3 into 180 degree, which is equal to 540 degree. So here the sum of the interior angle of the pentagon, it is our 540 degree. Okay. So now I want to check the exterior angle, it is how much. It is Y means this one it is our 180 degree minus Y. This one Z means its exterior it is 180 minus Z. This one W means this one it will be 180 degree minus W. This one it is A means this one it will be 180 degree minus A. This one X means this one should be 180 degree minus X. So whenever I will add all the exterior angles, so it means it should be 180 degree minus X plus 180 degree minus Y plus 180 degree minus W plus 180 degree minus A, another one it is plus 180 degree minus Z. See here how many 180? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for which in the next step I am writing 18 5 is 900. So for which here it is 900 minus X minus Y minus Z minus W minus A. So by giving the minus sign, here I am writing X plus Y plus Z plus A plus W. It means sum of the interior angles. And you know very well in the pentagon the sum of the interior angle it is should be our 540. So whenever 900 minus 540 we will get it as the 360 degree. So it means one thing it is clear, it may be our triangle, it may be our quadrilateral, otherwise it may be our pentagon. So we have checked only for the 5, but always we got that the sum of the exterior angle of any of the polygon up to pentagon we have checked, always the sum it is 360 degree. Okay, so whenever also we will check it for the hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, also we will get the same. So for which one of the conclusion has been drawn from the above experiment, that the sum of the exterior angle of any of the polygon, sum of the exterior angle of any of the polygon, it is always 360 degree. Remember important point I am saying, sum of the exterior angles of any of the polygon, it will be about 360 degree. Understood? But interior formula it is n minus 2 into 180 degree, otherwise 2n minus 4 whole into 90 degree. Understood? So in my next class we will do the discussion of our exercise question. Okay, thank you, have a beautiful day ahead.